You already know the craft. The binders, the timelines, the day of choreography. What turns a wedding planner into a wedding planning business is everything else. This is the wedding planner business in a box from Niche Toolkits. Here is everything inside. It begins with the operations playbook. Planning the craft is only half the business. The other half is pricing, contracts and deposits, vendor management, onboarding a couple who don't always agree, and filling a calendar where every client is a one and done. This playbook is that other half, built from what working planners actually earn. The first lesson reframes what you sell. A couple is not buying hours of labor. They are buying calm on the day, choice architecture that shrinks 250 decisions down to 30, and risk transfer, someone to absorb the chaos and fix it before they ever hear about it. Price the calm, not the timeline. The pricing calculator is a linked Excel workbook that turns the playbook math into your numbers. It builds your full service, partial, and month of coordination tiers, factors in your day of assistant and your tools, and shows you the floor below which a $5,000 wedding quietly pays you minimum wage. It runs the honest economics. A planner charging $5,500 looks well paid until you subtract the assistant, the software, and 150 hours across 9 to 14 months. The calculator does that subtraction for you, then forecasts a full season across all 3 tiers so you know exactly what to book. The forms pack is every document a wedding takes, already written. A full-service planning contract that protects your scope and your deposit. An inquiry form, an invoice template, and an image and event release. The awkward conversations become a clean signature every single time. The piece that keeps a Saturday from going sideways is the vendor coordination form. Every vendor, confirmed against a single run sheet, with arrival times and contacts in one place. This is the operational depth a couple is really paying for. The reason the florist being late never becomes their problem. It starts with the inquiry form. It captures the date, the guest count, and the budget before the discovery call, so you walk into that call already prepared. Inquiry to deposit can happen in 72 hours, and the forms in this box are how you make that happen on repeat. There is a cancellation and postponement policy that holds up when a date moves, and a post-wedding follow-up sequence that turns a happy couple into reviews and referrals. These are the pieces most planners only write after the season they wish they'd had them. Because every couple is a one-time client, marketing never stops. So the marketing starter gives you 30 captions split across awareness, consideration, and conversion, plus a Pinterest playbook, because Pinterest is where engaged couples actually plan. Swap in your name and your city and you have months of content ready to post. It also hands you 10 email and text templates, a 30-day Google Business Profile checklist, and a review request sequence, so the inquiries you do get are answered fast and turned into book discovery calls instead of slipping through the inbox. When you outgrow doing it all yourself, the hiring and training kit shows you who to hire and when. Day of assistant first, then a virtual assistant, then a junior planner. Post-ready job descriptions for all 3, an onboarding checklist, and a training manual so your standards travel with your team. It includes an interview question bank built to find the one trait a wedding day demands, calm under pressure, along with a contractor agreement and a quarterly review template. The right assistant on the day is the difference between a smooth wedding and a stressful one, and this is how you find them. The local SEO Quick Start helps couples find you on Google. 5 city page templates, each built around the single highest leverage block in wedding search, the local venues you have worked. Name the venues, name the neighborhoods, and you start ranking for wedding planner in your city. And it gives you the technical signals for copy and paste JSON LD schema blocks that tell Google exactly what your pages mean, plus 5 blog outlines, 1 a month for 5 months. No developer, no agency. You paste it in and your site starts working for you. Altogether, it is a complete planning business in one download. The operations playbook, the pricing calculator, the full forms pack, the marketing starter, the hiring kit, and the local SEO pack. Everything except the craft you already have. That is the wedding planner business in a box. $197. One payment. Yours forever. Find it on Etsy, search niche toolkits, and run the business as calmly as you run the day.